Hello, 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 and welcome back to another episode of Inazuma 11 2 Blizzard. I did some scouting, and I did like the little one-half matches against the first story people. And yeah, I got some people. Like you can get on the Maritime's beach for free. Like he just like, oh, I know you, I'll join you. I scouted Hatch from Royal Academy. I scouted this girl, because she looked kind of cool. I got Peabody, who's a really high level. I got King for my friend, because King is, I think, his favorite keeper. So I was like, yeah, sure, fuck it. Give it a shot. We'll get him. So now we gotta head to town, and there's like a surprise waiting for us in that town. I made sure the surprise was in the town. Training. What the hell's happening there? Oh. Jack will become quite a trooper, hasn't he? Well. Here, Jack, this will help you run faster. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Ah, snail help! I mean, he's faster. Did he jump on? Nice. He jumped on Banyan. Get on. You're already on my bench, mate. I'm not even got him on my reserves anymore. Don't even have him on my bench anymore. Even I got him on my reserves. Replaced by King Buddy. I wish Axel. I mean, everyone wishes Axel was here. Boo-hoo. What you gonna do, princess? That was offensive. I'm very sorry whoever said that. I think it was Celia. Was it Sylvia? It wasn't Nelly, that's for sure. Don't worry, Darren, you're useless anyway. Are they just gonna make him pull out thingy? All of a sudden, imagine the hand, because there's like no story building up to that. Whilst in the anime, you learned that against to cure Mark from his depression. Oh, that's a shot. I'm sorry, I was a bit zoned out. Weak shot as well. What on earth? Could it be Axel? No, it ain't. Well, unless if they move from the story again. I don't think it was. Could have been, I guess, because they're... well... Control stat. Oh, look who's here! I'm almost good about football completely, but I was injured, but I couldn't stop thinking about it. I decided something. Yep. Also, let's let him shoot. Let's let him shoot, because I wanted to show you something. Whilst training, got hand leveled up to 2, which means it gets its special effect. Look at it; it's all its beauty. Shin goto hando. It's now very colorful and very nice. Fuck it. Jude! You can take it! Illusion Bow! Hey! Dun, 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 dun. And with this, we have Sanford, hopefully. Unless he says, nope, another one. You're just as impressive as ever, Jude. Okay, I've decided I'm joining you at Raymond. So now we got Sanford too. We got Sanford and King. Though Sanford is not gonna make the squad just yet. We're gonna wait until he learns his Emperor Penguin 1. I feel like since they kind of introduced alter egos, I feel like they could have added the alter egos in. This is a little fun, well, little fun, but as a little bonus. Clone shot, double red shot, dragon. I'm not gonna use him as a one per se, but I just wanted to buy it because it's a cool move. It's cool. It's cool. Wait, complete. Head back to the bus. Okay, well, to the bus we go. Let's very much talk to her after getting RTD back. Hey Mark, have you finished training for the day? Yes, you must be exhausted. Dinner! It's dinner time. I thought it was dinner time while we were sleeping. Sean. Oi, Sean. The Axel bloke. They said he were the perfect striker, didn't they? Did they? Pretty sure they just said he was their ace striker. Dad. Oh boy. Weren't I amazing? Ah, you were. Doing today, we're all down to you, Aiden. It's a good job the game wasn't cancelled. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't a good job, but you couldn't know that. So yeah, scoring goals and the other defending, the perfect combination. Which was a perfect combination when they were both alive. It wasn't a good combination when they were both in one body. Jesus. Stop, don't make me go through it again. Oh. Mark, wake up. Sean, are you okay? Aye, I'm fine. Don't worry. Well, alright then. Think about it, Sean. No, don't think about anything, Sean. You're good as is. Ish. The next day. Are you feeling better today, Sean? Look for clues at Maritimes. Ooh, this. Not the one I'm looking for. Not the one I'm looking for. They're all grouped together. Man, there you are. We've been waiting for you. Coach Lena, you totally stood again today. Jesus. Slime ball. Come on, man. She got very nervous when we asked about the fire football the other day. Then she ran off just now when we mentioned him again. I think she knows where Blaze is. Really? Do you think so? How would you keep it to yourself though? Won't you tell her at least? I'm not sure. Badum. I could just get Santan. Santan is a goal player. I mean, he's not gonna play. But would we make it? Yeah, he would make the bench actually. And he's a goal player. And he's in Galaxy. I got him in Galaxy. Yeah, fuck it, I'm scouting him. Chase Dora the light back to town. Wait a minute. Map. Bus. Can I scout the people from Maritimes yet? A recruit. I cannot yet, therefore I will not scout him yet. But he will be scouted. Did you see me run on the bus at lightning speed? It's like I was holding the speed up button. Wait, sorry mate. This way, quick. He lost the pendant! He dropped something. Hey Sean, are you coming? Hey, coming Mark. Yeah. I mean, I'd say they are portraying the issues that Sean has with like his alter ego quite well. I still remain of the thought that they needed to have more alter egos because they had Banyan, Sean, and someone else. They should have given it to like King and what's his name? I forgot his name. Lol. Sanford, yes, King and Sanford too. Okay, so what do you do? Did you make those beds out of seashells? Looks like you're good with your hands as well as your feet. No, Dory. Keep it in your pants. Hurley, I found her, I found Dora. The lighthouse. You don't think she's been kidnapped by the dude in the hood, do you? Kidnapped? I doubt it, but... Yeah, Hurley's a bit, quick to jump to conclusions there. Wait, what? Don't look at me, I don't have any badges. Aww. Ah! My Chris. Hey, don't cry. Here, I'll tell you a secret. The lighthouse keeper said he's seen a guy who was there without his head. And he had white pointy hair and super sharp eyes. Yep, that's, that does sound, incredibly like a guy we know. Ugh, god damn it! Oh, I skipped. Well, fuck. Yeah! That was the first battle I think we faced on camera, so that's something good, I guess. Did they speed up too quick, and are you gonna see me like very surprised? Yes! Dora! Dora, are you in there? Hurley? Dora, badum 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 badum. Mark, look at that, there was a ground over here. Ooh. Is that a black football or... That was a burned football. There's just no football that's been charred. Yep. Here, he dropped this. Does it look familiar? That's Axel's pendant, so now they're pretty sure the hooded figure is in fact Axel. Axel! No answer, we can't even see inside. There's no way of... There's a window right to the left of you. Wait guys, if I catch your flow, does this mean the guys you know, the hood guy and the football flame, you mean that they're one and the same? Because that means that Dora girl wasn't kidnapped here, the arrow? Of course, the next one would never do anything like that. Well, she's busted. Hold on, Dora. What's she doing? Oh, he's gonna get the lighthouse keeper, I guess. Axel. Chase Hurley back to Maritimes. Okay. Cut! Right before we get to the end, we have to face another battle. That's all we had to do. So yeah, I think there's a character here you can get, but it's a downloadable character in this game. So since I can't download characters, I will not be able to get him. God damn. Having Sue in these battles is quite handy, because she's not the best striker, but I won't use her in matches, because I have DM and Frost, and I don't really make substitutes in this game. For one reason or another. Hey, look, chest. Dragon Cannon Manual. Hurley, what do you want now? Oh, it's you guys. You scared me. I thought Herder was back again. He came at me like a tsunami ranting about some key. He freaked me way out. And did you give him the key? Of course I did. I felt him alive, you know. Of course I did. Yeah, what else would I be doing? Look for Hurley and Dora at the lighthouse. Gah! Okay, for so long that I really didn't have any battles, they're really speeding up. What the hell? What's this? Raising body. I think this might be the last training spot then. No, because there should be one at Fuji. So yeah, spoiler, another location we will unlock is Fuji. Is that the last location? I don't know, I think there might be more. Move, dog. Bye, 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 bye. I lost! Yay, that's the first. I was just memeing a bit too much, and at the end I was like, oh wait, I'm too late. Fuck. Sucks. Sucks, sucks, sucks. Man, why'd you let him go, Dora? So yeah, this, that. Whatever, out of my way, I'm going after him. Oh, well, what's going on? That hood guy ran off. You need to chase him down, man. No. What 8 tracks are to protect this guy? She doesn't even know him in the anime. I didn't tell you any of it, but I nearly ran into the whirlpool as well. He saved me. His fiery shot was amazing. I said I wanted to do something to say thank you. He said he needed a place to hide somewhere he could train by himself. He also told me not to tell anyone he was here, especially anyone from Raymond. Why does he need a place to hide? Is there someone after him? I mean, didn't you establish like a minute ago that like he knew there was someone after him? Even though I thought it wasn't supposed to know that, but whatever. And I'm gonna admit it, I mean like last episode, so hey. It's gonna be a long ass episode if you have to fight anyone else. I'll see how long, and I might cut him in 2 parts. I can't tell Axel's been in here. This is Raymond kit. He loves that kit, but he gets really sad every time he looks at it. Aww. He wants to keep playing with us. Poor Axel. Oh, well, there it is. Are you alright, Sean? Aye. Can I stay in here? Because I kind of want to go on top. She's taking his kid. A whirlpool at Maritimes. Blog! That door glitched. Yep. Could Axel be watching? You'd assume so, right? I know there's a chest there. It has destruction gloves, which sound more scary than I think it should be. Yeah. Let me just very quickly go to equip. Destruction gloves. Where... Here we go. I go. Since they are now a part of the team as well. Brown shield pendants. E. Okay, looking for some U-boots. And I don't think Jack really has something with speed. I mean, I'll figure out items like fully. God damn it. Hey, we didn't extend our losing spree, luckily. Do I get the chance to heal TP? It's gonna. Okay, thank God. I'm gonna be rather safe and sorry, so I'm gonna very quickly do this. Because if I don't get the time before the battle, It's gonna be a longer episode. It's not worth to like necessarily cut it in two. I'll just play it now. Hey Luna, how you doing? So there's a whirlpool. I'm just gonna. How the doorbell gets so close. I mean, it just happens. Mwah! The time is coming 11. Time for revenge. But it's actually gonna be story after, so I might not. No, I'm just gonna cut it at two. There'll be another cliffhanger, and you'll see the match against Epsilon against Fallen with Red Eyes in the next episode. Thank you all for watching, and bye!